Trump gag orders. Here's everything the ex-president can't say in the cases against him, as hush money judge expands restrictions. Donald Trump, having failed to fend off a criminal trial in Manhattan that begins on Monday, said that he planned to testify in the case stemming from a hush money payment to a porn star. A gag order against Donald Trump prevents him from making public statements about potential witnesses and prosecutors that may interfere with the former U.S. president's criminal trial. He could face fines or jail time if he violates the order. The New York State judge overseeing former President Donald Trump's criminal trial stemming from hush money payments expanded a gag order against the ex-president Monday after Trump repeatedly lashed out against the judge's daughter, as the former president faces a number of restrictions on his speech in the ongoing criminal cases against him in light of his repeated attacks on prosecutors, judges and other parties in the proceedings. Judge Juan M. Merchan's decision, echoing a gag order in Trump's Washington, D.C., election interference criminal case, came a day after he rejected the defense's push to delay the Manhattan trial until summer and ordered it to begin April 15. If the date holds, it will be the first criminal trial of a former president. Given that the eve of trial is upon us, it is without question that the imminency of the risk of harm is now paramount, Merchan wrote in a 4-page decision granting the prosecution's request for what it deemed a narrowly tailored gag order. The judge said the presumptive Republican presidential nominee's statements have induced fear and necessitated added security measures to protect his targets and investigate threats. Trump's lawyers fought a gag order, warning it would amount to unconstitutional and unlawful prior restraint on his free speech rights. Merchan, who had long resisted imposing a gag order, said his obligation to ensuring the integrity of the trial outweighed First Amendment concerns. President Trump's political opponents have, and will continue to, attack him based on this case, Trump lawyers Todd Blanche and Susan Necheles said in a recent court filing. The voters have the right to listen to President Trump's unfettered responses to those attacks, not just one side of that debate. Trump has strongly opposed the gag orders against him, which he claims are a violation of his freedom of speech that hurts his presidential campaign. The ex-president said in a Truth Social post in December he would appeal the newest ruling against him that reimposed the election gag order, claiming the order means he can be barred from talking and, in effect, telling the truth. In other words, people can speak violently and viciously against me, or attack me in any form, but I am not allowed to respond in kind, Trump wrote. What is becoming of our First Amendment? What is becoming of our country? After Merchan's order Monday expanding the hush money gag order, a Trump spokesperson claimed the unconstitutional order prohibits Trump from engaging in core political speech and violates the civil rights of Trump's supporters.